Happiness truly is accessible to everyone. I was happy until age 23, and then when life wasn't easy, to be very honest, and then life started to bless me, and at age 29 I was clinically depressed. And that was an invitation for me to revisit the way I look at life. I started to research the topic of happiness. Happiness is so predictable that it's actually describable by an equation. And if you visit every moment in your life where you felt happy, and every moment in your life where you felt unhappy, you will find a trend, a very predictable trend across all of them, so predictable that they can be described in a mathematical equation, which basically says that your happiness is equal to or greater than the difference between the events of your life and your expectations and hopes and wishes of how life should behave. And when you think about it this way, you would realize that no event in itself in your life has ever made you happy or unhappy. It's the event in comparison to how you want life to be that makes you happy or unhappy. So take rain, for example. If you're a farmer and you want to water your plants, rain makes you very happy. If you we're planning a nice weekend where you can sit out in the sun and it starts to rain, rain makes you unhappy. With that definition, happiness becomes that peaceful contentment inside us when we're okay with life as it is. In the absence of the noises in our head that complains about everything and criticizes everything, our default setting is happiness. Happiness truly is accessible to everyone. It is highly predictable. It's just like fitness, if you want. If you prioritize your fitness, and eat healthy and go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week, you will be fit. It's predictable. For some of us, it's going to take longer than others. For some of us, it might take a little more effort than others, but it's not unaccessible to any human. Any human who, with a complete physical form or, no diseases and no disabilities, all of us can achieve a certain level of fitness if we commit to it and invest in it. Happiness is the same. Happiness is truly lacking in our lives first and foremost because we don't prioritize it. If you prioritize your fitness when you're offered a cookie or a brownie, you're going to say no. If you prioritize your happiness and you're stuck in a job that you don't like, you should probably say no. Yes, there is very solid research on that. Your happiness increases along your income increase until you reach the average income of the country that you live in. Once you reach the average income of the country you live in, which basically means you're getting your basic needs met, it plateaus. It doesn't, more money doesn't make you any happier. If you don't desire an iPhone 10, it doesn't make you unhappy that you don't have one. If you expect to be, if you don't expect to have 3 meals a day like people in India, you would actually be extremely happy with 1 meal. If we change the choice to be unhappy, I think we can all be a lot happier.